Me not keep boring, nothing. Me not keep boring, friend. No time at all. You say rebel? If I talk, I don't talk to you. It's a me tell me some talk no care what them say about her. No care what them say about she. It's when me meet she for the first time. Me say it in her life. I'm gonna take back my talk. She's such a beautiful soul always. You see, Dyema? I wanna wait for me and Dyema quarrel, tear it, pop it, map it, sweep it, nip it, and then any type of way. Never. Me and Dyema have a bad day now. Peer judgment. Because the two we are bull. Two we are bull. We just clock tease. We just argue about something. And Rosealee, I'm not hear nothing. And then by 3 minutes, 4 minutes after, peer judgment. And your class, you know. We can use a bad moment. When it's all and over, sit and talk about it and just laugh. I will think me left me and come back here. That is Dyema. No cure the moment, no cure just have a bad moment. Me no want to, me no care. The people that when me go around, you see me still go around them treat me good. I mean, I give them flowers all when it seems like say me and them are on good terms. If them treat me good. All of the people who you see me go around them treat me good. Cause if them never treat me good, me not go around them. Me are good in them flowers. Rebel, Swiss Triple, World Dog. Everybody will see me go around. Dyema, figure it out. Even Akeem.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat, and as you can see, upon the screen, Rosealee is definitely feeling herself, as she should, because she definitely shell off the stage last night. People putting out the comment section where think about that, because you know them people that run a club make them and things that I try style, you see my say, and now she's getting her lick back. You feel what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Putting at the comment section if you think Akeem is going to sneak back in Rosealee life. You feel what I mean? Because it's quite humbling experience seeing the amount of people turned up for dancehall artist gang and all of these people. Because you know, this is a Swiss birthday party, but you know, corporate hands in it, so you know the promotion them up and things and think of them want to sell them thing. You see my say, but nevertheless, she's definitely feeling herself and, you know, talking about, you know, this journey on being single and all of these things. Because, you know, Jake is now outside doing film thing. You see my say? So that's like and share the video from now because, you know, she big about Akeem and all of these people and things as well. You see me?
Dyema, no cure the moment, no cure just have a bad moment. Me no want to, me no care. The people that when me go around, you see me still go around them treat me good. I mean, I give them flowers all when it seems like say me and them are on good terms. If them treat me good. All of the people who you see me go around them treat me good. Cause if them never treat me good, me not go around them. Me are good in them flowers. Rebel, Swiss Triple, World Dog. Everybody will see me go around. Dyema, figure it out. Even Akeem. Donya, even nasty binds will come class more there. Nasty binds will come class more there. Lulu, last time I hug up Jaden, Candy, Chumba, Rebel friend, TC. No, not TC, pretty. Everybody will go around treat me good. Save space and energy up. Me a 6K friend for man. Me a 6 friend. I be to me a 6 friend. Me never say TikTok boss, but if me never say TikTok boss, but if me did see him, I had the same energy. Left Jaden. Right you. Me a right you can green a. Me a right you can green a chat. I'm gonna tell you why me a right you can blood clot green. It's true, right? You are Gemini. I'm a Gemini. So, we're more feisty. Me and him cannot agree. And him know, me and him can't agree. It's always, me know me have name here, but honestly, me have enter, you see me, if you say I go to a crowd of people, you see me interact. Me have the influence, whole heap. For me, go with somebody there, in a table last full of whole party, because that was after party, after Swiss party. Me the under one come back down. Cause to the rain and so, me never get for drink nothing. I get 2 Magnum, I give me security one behind me. And me not drink it, me go up. Me go up half of the Magnum, come here and say, if you're not so keen, by the time them a crowd of people are coming on, I appear sweat and me not go want to do nothing, you know. So I know my work. Me go up in the liquor, I go. Me say, alright, go. Because a piece of crowd or taking on a piece of crowd take me on and I say blood clot. When I tell me turn up them, but just turn up normal. What's someone really think about me? Because I always behave some type of way. Then me go down a part when I was act civilized. I don't know if I act civilized. Stop follow the net. I work, I come. This is what the people realize. Say, oh, and when we meet Rosealee in real life, she's a different person. Try to get for known before you judge. Well, things that me and Triple are friends over the years and talk to them everybody. Me listen about what I feel like. Because me will listen. I do. But when the process, sometimes it would have done the process. Because they got to tell me something, you know. They got to sit down and process it, you know. Like if I say, don't go to sleep later. And I say, well, you know why I'm going to sleep later? You know, my face said that boy that have one blood clot, girl, down the pussy clot road. He might tell me something if I come here, me had blood clot tonight. Yeah. I mean, I chat to one boy one night. And the boy said, alright then. So long I tell myself, alright then. Tonight, now the boy will give me my piece of soldering. All the boy blood clot boy call me. Yo. Don't come tonight, Mr. Say blood clot. You have a woman down there. So okay, sir. Trot. Circle like Wi-Fi. I Google internet. Me say your blood clot. Then him still a fuck she. Me say, oh. Me listen to people. I do. But when they tell me something, it have a process. So when it process, you can't remember, you know, I fat alone on my back. Me always gonna be the unruly one. Me not even like take program. Me not like a program, you know. You can't tell me for do. And it's because me don't know about me have split personality. So you can't tell me for do. Me not go by your laws. Me not go by your rules. If me even have a man, I'm going to try if adjust. Because I'm going to tell him I'm going to try if adjust certain things. But it not, me not think, for me, for change completely, it's going to take a long process, but me don't know. It's not that I can't change, but me don't know. Me just can't stop being me. Because when you say something to me, and show me is an overthinker, it's when it process, me I gotta just bust out worse. Because you will say it to me in a one good manner. Maybe you will say things to me in a one good way, you know. Like the master to me say, don't argue upon the internet. I did it. I say, okay, now stop now. And then I look now. I come on the internet and I say about 5 people at class me. I say, Pana at least I want to be a class people. I say, okay. And I did that video and you take say be on a class. And then you come back and say, don't argue on the internet. I'm going to say, alright then. Again. And then that start a blood clot process I made. Like meat down a factory. And then I tick the time bomb, let me tick. And then yeah, when I come back tomorrow, don't argue upon them. I say, hello, look at me, I don't want to root here, you know. Stop telling me that. You know what? Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that. Because me never have them so class me. Me want class. Sometime in a chat. Me want sit down. And I love class, you know. But sometimes, alright, I'm going to tell you what it seems. Me just expressing myself, defending myself. However, I just my tone make me look like the worst in my life. That's that the problem. Some will understand, you know. Some of them understand and know, you know. Some will understand and don't know, you know. I just my tone all the while. Maybe I always get fucked with people. Cause me not trouble nobody. Me know what can fast with people, you know. I say when me start, me not done. I saw me stay. Me know walk and trouble people. Cause when me start, me not done. Worse, me know me not trouble you. Me and you have nothing. I will tell you, me and you fight already. Me and you getting a physical fight. Our fight I'm done. And every time after that you see me, you throw, you go on, you see me, I'm in a pain of mine. When them something start process back in my brain, you know, and me start fight again in a judgment, you know, because this time me not done. Because I'm not trouble you. So them like to pick on people, and then when you come out, you come dog up the place and dog them up. Then me come to see them here. I saw me, that me always get wrong. Come in not trouble you. It's just that I don't know how to sit down and explain myself in a one way where some of the people will understand them. Some will understand, and some of them just my tone. Because I'm loud. Because I'm upset, so you will hear the loudness. That is all mistake. Because it upset me, so when I'm upset, my tone will go high. Me can't take that for myself. Anytime I'm upset, my tone mad. My tone high. My mouth loud. Me can't upset. Attitude. No ever text it from people. So sometimes I just my tone and the things them make people always have me in one bad light. But I'm nice in a real life. I'll be last night when I got the party shop say, I never know Rosealee was that nice of a person. Say yeah. My trick on you again. I pay trick them. Yeah. I pay trick them because I'm nice in a real life. But they don't know who you don't know. You know me, you know me. I'm nice in a real life. Don't watch my person and I'll put on for the net. Because you know me how dark up. Any one of them I call my name and me not sit well with me or worse when I text me, worse when I trouble you. You call it invalid for come. Me nice in a real life. Last time I told them I give you man $1,000. I hear them now, I should have on the life shall give her money. Me nice in a real life. And me always give her my things. Me always give my things. Yeah, that's what me time. Drink one. Creme. And this drink last time I say give me a blood clot. It's after last night. When me left the party, I would go. Before I leave in the party, I tell you such a blood clot. When Rebel wall up on me, and when Rebel wall up on me, and I said, don't move. And me look at bodyguard, that. I'm not left my side. They behind me, and my roll, my dog, and my roll. I'm about to dog them out the door. Trot. They could have come out of blood class, stay them in pieces. The people them, like them want to go at them yard with me body. The people them, like them want to go, can I got them yard? Take me body, can I got them yard? Can I come out? Can I come out? Could me come out of stadium? Who no want a picture? Rosealee, my mother tell me this. You know, far me I come from. You want a piece of crowd? Take me. Escort me, get escort out type of party. Yes, Jesus Christ. Hey, popularity come with a whole of blood clot anxiety. Come here to this as a blood clot. You know that the person in mind is, I wish I was a normal person because we could have actually walk out of the party in a peace. Could come out to that, please, me. Everybody want a picture. I mean, don't want to stand about to the crowd too much. We don't want to take picture with the people them for true. But there's a lot of people and they're confusing me. Me see all my friend on name Richie there. I'm Panganat. Me go call into Panga do me call Panga, you know. Me have a cream out and push wave. She can push wave nice Panganat. If I go Panganat and kiss her, we can't come out to a party. One old people want to take, but I say no far me I come from to see you. Rosealee, you say straight. You saw when I make a party done, happy start stampede don't take me. Like, me feel like any celebrity. The people them walk me down. Swiftly run. Swiftly run. Swiftly run. So when Swiftly come, Swiftly run, God up this up. Me say me walk Swiftly. Swiftly run with the crowd that coming, bro. Trot. Me say the people nearly go with my body. Wasn't it's my fans there, my people them, me love when just the same. You saw last year, the amount of picture when me take last year. I'm in a genic. The amount of picture when me take last year at Rosealee party, I'm in a photogenic. Pictogenic, my love. Not cure them beat me pan the app and class me pan the net. It's in a real life, mad fucking love. Mad. It's crazy out there with love. Crazy out there with love. Crazy love. Crazy love. I got my put to them school one time. I tell her say, that's why I not go there. I don't go to parent-teachers meeting and none of that. I not go parent-teacher meeting. Me not go no meeting. Make them father go, me send somebody, I'm call the teacher, me not go over there. And it's not because I'm not being a mom. It's so when I go there, when I go to them school, and I go to them school already, and when the people them realize say me interrupt the whole school. Me interrupt the whole school, the whole entire school. All of the kids them, Rosealee, she's like, okay, the principal upon, says something upon, okay. Mix this so you can go now because I need to get back my students back in order because you have just interrupted the whole school. You can go now. You leave. Me not go over there. Me not go over there. Me not go over there. People make too much noise and the day and the and it when we go there, it was not even break time. It's the whole school was one people look and see me, and then when the one appear nice. You know, so one of them time I go to the school, I go put on one look event. Don't worry, put them. That and time. So me at the party, me say, crowd of people there so. We have to hold up on my hand tight so. My security down brown back at me so. Panga there so. Somebody call me this so. Somebody want hug me this so. I say one woman come. Pani said the last night the woman wet. I say Rosealee, I say me that hug you but you're too wet. I remember when the floor first so when that wet pie cold. I say I would have hugged you but you're just too wet. Mama shake her hand and then somebody over there start call me and then we got a taboo last night. Lord. They will got a taboo last night. They will whine. They will do heels on. They me and they go them. And I will pass. Hey, I mean, that's a go club nice. Go club nice last night, man. After party club. Me in there, me drink, me wine. Me typical go them, me rub them down, they rub up on me, they whine upon me, then feel me up, me feel them up back. Try to me come out. I look out the door, daylight and me like me can't see. And even me depend, me can't see a blood clot. And a piece of blood clot hand in his spray take over my body.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, if you made it to this far of the video and you want to continue with the Bagga and see Jaden's review on, the people, them, the TikTokers that went to the party, he's going to do a fashion review on them. Can swing by my mix-up and things channel that you see in front of you. Yeah, so make sure you do the right thing and subscribe to all of my platforms and turn on that notification bell. So therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.